ngiqale ubugebengu ngisasentwana encane. Futhi jonke iqale 2008. Yeah, ngenza grade 8 la bese ngifaka ikhanda west. Shuthi nikhasi basibiza amasuper. Shuthi moya isuper shuthi komela uhlala unemali, uhlala unotshwala la duze kwakho. Abangithi manje letting is like a competition nama team. Thina mesiphuma nalabo mabaphuma babuya mesohlangana la kujiva khona sicwasela abantwana udaba ubani abanemali. Yabo. Okay, shuthi iqale ngemoto eyi1. Lapha ngisase confused bengaka understand ukuthi wenzakalani. Yabo. Second day shaye imoto ezi2 nami sengiya enjoy ukuthi yo ayi manje ngitseka phatha imali sengikwazi ukuphatha imali ekudlule kaMoledi ngelanga ngiqhubeka ngiqale ngiboshwe 2008 January ngiboshwe assault Cherry shuthi Cherry wami ngibambisa imali yabo shume ngekho maybe siye boma force lo spin ayingayo emjavini mengibuya mfethe imali dayi imali yakho mina ngisebenzisile into ezinjalo ngimshaye Moledi wakhe amtshela uthi ezokubulala mfana lo ngcono mbophisi bangibophisi ngenxa kaNkulunkulu angijikanga eSun City ngibuye ngiphume court white paper mangiceda bathi ngizo-attenda mina zangi-attenda because manje amacala afana nama-assault angi-attendi and manje mina ngikhulubazi ukuthi intombazane iyashaba yabo mara no ngiyabona ayi manje uma ngashaya intombazane yahamba majitama komele babheke so ngithe mengiphuma lapho ngadaya sengifaka ikhanda west manje into eziningi family business ama-taxi enhle kungiyayeka singizi committed to crime ila ngiqale khona ngenza crime 2009 shukuthi sinenzakale eCampton Park sibuya to Alexander kwaDubuleka umlungu sethi sangena ngase-Alex Mall before kuba Alex Mall bekusasa amagarage amhlophe sangena saboshwa lapho mesiboshwa C4 ngoba mina ngazi next bengakaze ngiye eSun City shapa amakhotmana ngishasha ePolice Station intwana yamona acoma icala saseyintwana yabo uzobuya fast or bazokushaya suspended ngidayivela amakhotmana vele ngoba banabantwana abanamafazi athi ngithathele ID ngivela kanti abangikhohlisa
bakutshela lento ukuphi
se-police station yabo angithi police station manibosho kamele ngikhipha ama-statement yabo bona bakhipha ama-statement khiphe mini statement mesifike court bathola ama-free bail ngazala ngicala ngiyiwona icala khona apho kuyimane-hijack shuthi ye-police station umezos lento leya izosithatha ama-fingerprint maybe statement ngiyamtshela ukuthi amakhulumana was next yimi engihambile ngawakhomba amakhulumana yimi engazivala into ngenze nami impintshi zami zibalekile angazi ukuthi sihlala kuphi
banibophe kuphi
basibophe sonke phakathi kwemoto shuthi uyangibuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngiyamtshela ngithi no mina riding le ngiqala ukuyenza maybe nginabo ama-3 months ngiyamshasha yabo because sengikhuluma lento ngitshela amakhulumana ukuthi ngimtshele yona ngimtshela phala ukuthi hayi senze sona so la bethi khona le IO10 manje why uthi bebona abangani bakho mara nitholakala namakhulumana emotweni ye1 that's when ngithi hayi amakhulumana mina ngwalande namaphoyisa endlini zabo because ngibona ukuthi intwana lezibalekile and induku yamaphoyisa ngengimele yabo
and then ithi le ayazi ukuthi banibophe emotweni
noma bangakubopha emotweni ecourt kwamele yebona baconvince icourt ukuthi vele nithola phakathi kwemoto ama-fingerprint kwamele abe khona because imoto ngithi meboshe yadust
and then labo banibophile ababhalanga istatement sabo ukuthi bona banithole kuphi kanjani niphetheni
bayabhala istatement kodwa ecourt angithi umuntu okhulumayo nento ebhale encwadini is two different things shothi mobile into kwamele ube ne-evidence yayo mozo hamba ngale story leso ama-IO asibhale lama-arresting officers asibhalile shothi kahle uyabuvuma ukuthi vele uyenzile into le and uyothola 15 years so you must come up with a different story mara show remorse ukuthi ngiyenzile lento le but ngiyasola yabo that's why kwamele uqamba mama mozo khuluma iqiniso shothi yakufasa
and then igcina iphelela laphi into yakho
shothi case yakhona yangigweba 2009 bangigweba 18 years ngaphuma 2017
mawugwetshwa le 18 years awupha amakhulumane that time
bawakhiphile kodwa
and then beweza zokubhesuka
nabe wangenza zongibhesuka ila ngibone khona ukuthi empilweni umngane akafuneki because manje moboshwa abantu abasakhamile like before thina umuntu maboshiwe bese umspinela hlanganisile imali eloya yabo sisi imali nyana kubo no abasayichunda de moboshiwe kwamele ubone ukuthi ifamily yakhe iphuma kanjani usho ukuthi ngishintshithe usisi wami first born akithi uyangenza ukuthi kahle kahle ngibone ukuthi lento engizenza ukuthi asikho right cause yena akaze ngilahle lithawula engicamba mama she was there from since day one and akangijudge yabo bengitshela mntana sekhaya moyenza into wazi ukuthi inama consequences mara mina ngiyakulahle wakithi yabo namhlanje uma ngathi ubani umama isister yabo cause namanje bengiphuma edanyana uye omake sure ukuthi manje ngigrand angicanga ngibuyeli kule ntolizi yabo amajite nomonke ngisekusele mina ngiyona yabona abantu bayazibuza ukuthi nyenza kanjani but mina into engibatshela yona iyona uNkulunkulu mina ngisiza kuphela angisebenzisi imuthi angiyenyangini angisimprofita angithembi kule nto lezo uNkulunkulu kuphela ya oshonile ube wani mina ngikhona because most yama-community amabhoda ngisedanyana wona la ngaphandle yabo ngizwa ngefoni mfite uzwile uSpamando ubhorile bangisendele ifootage yabo kona kubuhlungu mara impilo angithi sasayena sathi kule mpilo leso khipha ithuna or ritanyana ayimanyele mina ngibona ukuthi arare ngibese isikhohlisa arare ngabe sisikhohlisa akunavaru sisitshela lona if usanesikhathi sokuphuma phuma before it's too late engilene ne-hard way first thing first bengibhizi ngibhalana nencwadi but igama lencwadi ngingelikhuluma manje ngizolikhuluma ngoba encwadini bengiphena ukuyipublisha next year like ama-opportunities abhaya abantu abafuna ungawo nabo shuthi labantu ababonile ukuthi the real me ukuthi ngobani ngesikhathi ngisedanyana because abantu abaningi bacanga ukuthi ngilesigebengu lesi singayisathilesi singananhliziyo but iniqiniso abalazi bazama yesi umuntu ofana nami abamazi bona bazi igama lakaChina usiyabonga abamazi so ngifuna ukubonisela abantwana abakusasa ukuthi noma ngasekho nengane zami zazi ukuthi uthema lazo udlule entweni njani yabo experience ezinye izinto eziwesi ngoba abanye abantu abasurvive kule mpilo mina ngibuya kuyo yabo and ngifuna ukuthi ninqozi zami zibe ne-image ukuthi indlela kanjani uyithatha empilweni noma impilo ebuhlungu kanjani ezinye izinto you just let it go just ukuthi nami ngifuna ukuchange the way abantu bangibheka ngakhona elokushini yabo west part like ifamily recently baby mama yami abangifuni because i-background yami and it's hard ukuthi nami ngikhulise umntana wami yabo it's hard because abangifuni mababona mina babona isilwane isigebengu what yabo kuba nzima ukuthi nami incosi yami ngikhulise ukuthi ngiyibone ama-regrets akhona empilweni like ukuthatha impilo yomuntu is not easy yiyo regret enginayo empilweni engiyofanayo yabo because ngeke ngithi ngithatha impilo yomuntu oyi-one it's too much yabo that's why ngithanda everyday ngithi uNkulunkulu angixolele namamndeni yabo labantu engenzela yini bangixolele because angiphili easy it's not easy ukuvuka ekuseni bona abantwana abaliyawuthile ubulele bona bathini abantwana zezo mosejele ucabanga daddy ukuthi amani maybe nabantwana nefamily or ibreadwinner labantu bayasogola ngenxa yabo yayibona ukubonisa lentwana lezi ukuthi kahle kahle nami lama decision ngicanga ukuthi benguclever not ukuthi benguclever bengicanga ukuthi benguclever but bengicabanga ngasi bengasuclever yabo bengenziwa ngoba ngifuna ifame ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi avele ngidangerous but the more isikhathi siyakhula neminyaka iya uyabona ukuthi no I've been selfish ebantwini ababhaya especially ebantwaneni bami nabo mama babo because isikhathini esiningi ngihlala ngekho ngisedanyana abantwana abakhulisa abo bana yayibona bengisakhuluma nomunye like intandane ubro wami yabo ukuthi like mfethu kumele senze something different yabo change impilo zabantu shuthi kumele sende message emphakathini ukuthi lentona lezi mesikhula zisho ukuthi man amajita lawa bekuyipinara mara all of a sudden nashintsha kwenzakaleni, yabo. So ngibabonisa ukuthi lento besijuna ayikho right, besiyenzeka ngoba peer pressure, yabo, sithanda izinto because besingazi ukuthi sifaka into enjani. Ukuthi empilweni kwamele sifundiswe ukuthi ube nepatience, and that's the first key. On a patient count a lot, because uma ungana patience ayikho into ozokulungela straight. Nokuthi before uthathe decision ucabange ekuqala ukuthi le decision uthatha izo affect abantu abangakanani, because uma uthathe decision ay affect wena we-one, baba abantu ababheke up to wena, yabo. Nenye ve into ukuthi makubonza into wrong kwamele uhlale wazi ukuthi kunama responsibilities akhona azayo, ukuthi kwamele wamele, and amanye ukuthi ungahlala ejele lifetime ungasaphumi, yabo. Lezi zinto manje ngifundiswa zona empilweni ngathi hayi yizo engizuzile from a crime, ezingenza umuntu ngibone izinto ngenye indlela, not ngale ndlela bengizibona before. Phela most abangani bami manje basipana grand, yabo, impilo yabo right. Mina ngiwestile straight ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi ngiclever, yayibona. Ngigijimisa imali bengagijimisa ngefuture, yabo. Kanti that ngiyi different, befana ngigijimisa ifuture not inyuku, inyuku bezolandela. Isikhathi ngeke uzizibuyisele emuva. The only thing is to correct the wrongs we did, phela.